So, you've got a Chime account. That's awesome. But now you're probably wondering, how do I actually get money into this thing? Right? I mean, a bank account without money is like a car without gas, it just sits there looking pretty useless. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into all the ways you can pump up your Chime balance. Let's start with the most straightforward method, direct deposit. Now, I know what you're thinking, direct deposit? That sounds boring. But trust me, it's actually a game changer. Think about it, your paycheck magically appears in your account, no effort required. It's like having your own personal money fairy. To set this up, you'll need your Chime routing and account number. You can find these in the Chime app under your account settings. Give these numbers to your employer, and voila! Your paycheck is Chime bound. But what if you're between paychecks and need some quick cash? No problem. Chime has you covered there too. You can deposit cash at over 85,000 retail locations. Yep, you heard that right. Stores like Walgreens, CVS, and Walmart are your new ATMs. All you need to do is open your Chime app, go to the Move Money section, and select Deposit Cash. The app will generate a barcode. Take your cash and phone to the store, and the cashier will scan the barcode and deposit your money. Easy peasy, right? Now, if you're the type of person who likes to keep all their financial eggs in one basket, you can transfer money from another bank account to your Chime account. It's like moving money from one pocket to another, but with a little more tech involved. Most banks let you initiate transfers online or through their app. Just enter your Chime account information, and the funds will be on their way. But be aware, these transfers might take a few business days to complete. Another option is to use a debit card to transfer money instantly. If you have a debit card from another bank, you can link it to your Chime account and transfer funds immediately. It's like borrowing money from yourself, but in a more convenient way. So there you have it, folks. Several ways to feed your Chime account. Remember, direct deposit is the ultimate money-making move, but when you need cash fast, those retail deposit locations are your best friend. And for those who prefer to keep things digital, transfers are the way to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.